Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to hide balance in the Dex Trade mobile application. To hide your balance from the Dex Trade mobile app, first of all, launch open the Dex Trade application and then make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Now you will be able to see the total balance displayed at the top left corner. Since I have zero balance right now, I'm just doing this for the sake of the tutorial. Simply tap on the little eye icon in order to hide the balance from your interface if you don't want anyone to see your balances. If you ever want to reveal it back again, you can tap on the same eye icon, which will then reveal your balance on your Dex Trade account. So that is how easy it is. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.